Ever wanted to run a viral YouTube channel without ever recording a single video? No camera, no microphone, no editing skills, just AI. In 2025, it's possible, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it for free. You'll learn how to pick a profitable niche, generate content ideas in minutes, create high-quality videos using AI, and automate your uploads, hands-free. We're not selling anything. No fluff, no upsells, just step-by-step, real automation you can start today. So if you've been sleeping on YouTube automation, it's time to wake up. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. YouTube is still the most powerful platform for building passive income, especially with shorts. Why? Low barrier to entry, huge reach, and now with AI tools, you can pump out 20+ videos a day without breaking a sweat. And unlike TikTok or Instagram, YouTube pays creators directly through ad revenue, plus affiliate deals, merch, memberships, and more. Most channels take months to grow, but AI-powered channels, they scale fast. Some even go viral within days. You're not competing with influencers anymore. You're competing with ideas, and with AI, you've got unlimited ones. Even with zero experience, you can launch today. And the best part? It runs while you sleep. Let's talk niches, the foundation of your channel, and the first step toward building a viral content machine. A good niche balances passion, demand, and ease of content creation. Go evergreen. These are topics that never die out, like motivational quotes, money hacks, viral TikTok reactions, productivity tips, tech breakdowns, or weird facts from history. They're always relevant, always in demand. Open up ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts niches for 2025. Then follow up with, which of these are easiest to monetize with affiliate marketing or sponsorships? You're looking for overlap between high view potential and monetization. Once you've got your list, pick one that actually excites you. If you wouldn't watch 100 videos on it, don't build a channel around it. Still unsure? Try blending niches. For example, AI plus fitness, money plus motivation, tech plus storytelling. These combos stand out more in a crowded feed. Bonus tip: search your niche on YouTube, sort by most viewed in the last 30 days, and reverse engineer what's working. Trends leave footprints. Follow them, and add your own spin. Let's get your channel looking clean and credible in under 30 minutes. Step 1. Start with a strong, memorable name. Use tools like Namelix or Prompt ChatGPT with generate YouTube brand names for a niche shorts channel. Step 2. Head to Canva and create a logo and banner. Choose bold fonts, clear colors, and visuals that reflect your niche. Simplicity wins here. Avoid clutter. Step 3. Fill in your About section with keywords that tell YouTube what your channel is about. Example: we post daily AI-generated niche shorts. Quick value, zero fluff. Step 4. Upload a profile picture. This could be an AI-generated avatar or a minimalist logo. Just make it pop in small sizes. Step 5. Choose a clean handle. Short, no numbers, easy to remember. Think @FactFire or @QuickTechDaily. Once that's done, hit save. Your channel is now ready to publish. Don't get caught up in perfection. This isn't a Netflix series. You just need to look legit enough to make people click that subscribe button. Here's the truth. You don't need any fancy gear to start a YouTube Shorts channel in 2025. Seriously, no camera, no microphone, no editing software. AI does the heavy lifting. But if you're someone who likes to have options, here's a quick starter kit. Mic, optional. Try the 15K 669 or Toner TC 777, both under $40 and solid for voiceovers. Lighting, planning to be on camera later? A $30 ring light or softbox from Amazon is all you need. Video editing? Skip it. You'll use Woxo AI to generate full videos, script, voice, music, visuals, all done for you. Your entire production setup lives inside your browser. No storage issues. No complicated software. Just log in and create. This means your content machine runs from anywhere: coffee shop, living room, or even on vacation. And the best part? No burnout from complex editing workflows. Woxo handles it all, so you stay focused on what matters: output and scale. AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's your production team. Now it's time to make your first AI-powered YouTube short, step by step. Start with ChatGPT. Drop this prompt. Write a 60-word script in a viral tone about your niche. Keep it punchy and engaging. We want hooks, not lectures. Next, head to Woxo AI. Paste in your script. Choose your voice: male, female, serious, upbeat, whatever matches your vibe. Now select visuals. Woxo gives you access to stock video, music, and dynamic captions. You can use a preset template or tweak each setting manually if you want that extra polish. Once everything looks good, hit generate. In under 2 minutes, you'll have a complete short.
AI tool could build an entire YouTube.
Voiceover, visuals, captions, and background music included. Want to go fast? Batch produce 5 to 10 in one sitting. You can literally knock out a week's worth of content in an hour. This is the part where most people stall. Don't. Just create and post. You'll learn faster by doing. You've made the video. Now let's make sure people actually see it. Start with the title. Mix a hook with a keyword. Example: this AI hack will change how you work. 2025 productivity secret. It grabs attention and ranks in search. Next, the description. Keep it short, natural, and keyword rich. Example: AI generated productivity tips for 2025. Hashtag AI shorts, hashtag productivity. Then use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to swipe viral tags from competitors in your niche. No need to reinvent the wheel. Copy what works. Thumbnails? Optional for shorts, but if you use them, design in Canva. Bold text, high contrast, minimal clutter. Even a good thumbnail can boost CTR on shorts previews. Final move: add your video to a playlist. YouTube loves organized content. It boosts session time and helps your channel look polished. Let's talk money. Even if you're just starting out, you don't need 1,000 subscribers to start monetizing. Here are 4 legit ways to earn early: YouTube Shorts Fund, or Creator Rewards in your country; affiliate links, promote products or tools in your description, and earn per click or sale; digital products, Notion templates, ebooks, even cheat sheets sell like crazy in micro niches; sponsorships. Yes, even with 500 subs, you can get small brand deals in tight focused niches. Of course, your long-term goal is the YouTube Partner Program. Here's the truth: everything you just learned, 100% repeatable. This isn't some once-in-a-while side hustle. It's a scalable system. Research, generate, upload. That's your new workflow. Forget perfection. Your first videos? They'll suck. That's part of the process. Post them anyway. Because here's the real secret: volume wins. And thanks to AI, you can now post more than ever, without burning out. Every viral channel started with 0 subscribers. The only difference? They hit upload. So do it. Today. One video. No excuses. Let the AI handle the rest, while you focus on growth. If this video helped you, tap that like button. It feeds the algorithm and lets me know I'm on the right track. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. More automation gold is coming your way. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.